Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ जोजो.
और
Yeah.
मैं हूँ श्रुति.
Yes. Shruts, we're going to the indie
Yes.
scene. Indie,
Oh,
indie.
nice.
Have you heard of the Yellow Diary?
Of course, yes.
Hmm. So they are alternative rock band, Mumbai based. They're signed with Sony Music, and they've just dropped a new track this year. Feb 4th को drop हुआ था.
Okay.
And it features Shilpa Rao.
Superb. Superb. This will be one
Exactly.
intense kind of a
I
song.
know. And so it's saying this collab, Rose Rose, will have your heart. It's a beautiful take on how relationships suffer when two people stop communicating with one another amidst the everyday grind called life. But what's important is that we open our hearts to each other and remember the bond underneath. So,
I
yes,
like.
yeah.
Very real. Huh.
Watch
And
Isha
looks
Talwar
like
and
some.
Arjun Menon express the changing dynamics of their modern day relationship through picturesque contemporary dance. So, dance is also there in this.
Very nice.
Excited.
Let's
Let's do it.
watch.
Yeah.
Nice. Huh. Can't be done.
Rose, Rose, the 1, 2, 3, play.
कभी कभी लागे रहा सुना जो भी मन में लागे कहान कहा कभी कभी लागे रहा सुना जो भी मन में लागे कहान कहा किनारे किनारे पे रह गई नहीं यारे सवालों भरे हो ये सारे नजारे
रोज रोज आते हो आंखें क्यों चुराते हो है मुझे लगे जैसे खुद को ही छुपाते हो रोज रोज आते हो आंखें क्यों चुराते हो है मुझे लगे जैसे खुद को ही छुपाते हो ऐसा क्या भला मन में खल रहा
जिया जो ये मेरा ढूंढे लम्हे सारे जहाँ तू था मेरा वहाँ अब तुम्हारे पुकारे फिरे हैं तुझे दिल मेरा रे सवारे सवारे भीगी अखियाँ रे
रोज रोज आते हो आंखें क्यों चुराते हो है मुझे लगे जैसे खुद को ही छुपाते हो रोज रोज आते हो आंखें क्यों चुराते हो है मुझे लगे जैसे खुद को ही छुपाते हो ऐसा क्या भला मन में खल रहा सारे जहाँ दे हुए जो हमारे मिले वहीं पे जहाँ दिल मिला दे
Oh, that's
So beautiful. So
oh,
beautiful.
so amazing. Oh my
Let's divide
God.
it up. What are we first discussing?
Let's,
Because this clearly like.
okay,
Let's
let's
start with
just,
vocals.
yeah, yeah, vocals, then video.
Yeah.
Um,
So I had heard the song before, but not seen the video. In fact, this song, I didn't know this
oh,
Rose Rose is what you're talking about because this has been on a loop. I have heard this song
no,
so much. I have heard this song so much. I cannot tell you, I'm absolutely in love with this song. This is like,
it's
Lekin,
brilliant.
the beauty is, I'd not seen the video.
Oh,
It
lovely.
is a wonderful, like, This song is like बिल्कुल यहाँ बैठ के कोई आपके like you know आपके बारे में बात कर रहा है, like you know because this is the reality of every person's relationship, right? चाहे
Yeah.
खुद के साथ, दूसरों के साथ, everywhere. So this can be the background music through the day of your entire day. मतलब like constantly. That's how it was for me. So
Mm.
I just heard the song. I was like, oh my god, it's come video. I was super excited the moment it started. So yeah. But you tell
So
me, this is the first time you heard it, right?
this is the
So what
first
what
time
did you?
I was like, I mean, I didn't connect with the lyrics in terms of I didn't relate to them, but I see the reality around me enough to understand that it's
Yeah,
all coming from a complete like relatable space and a complete like
correct.
how everyday lives of people have become that even though they live together or they're seeing each other and all of that, they are just so bombarded with
Drifting. Yeah,
they're drifting apart because there's too many things on their plate, too many things to handle, too many voices telling them what to do with their time and taking each other for granted as a result. And then all these thoughts coming ki you are with me but tum ho hi nahi, and like the lyrics of this
correct.
Gana are just bang on.
I
And I'm
agree.
seeing
I absolutely.
it's written by Rajan Batra. Male vocals and lyrics are him. Female vocals, of course, Shilpa Rao. And Shilpa Rao,
Her voice,
voice.
man.
I just
Just you melt. You melt and like you kind of like right next to your heart, something happens.
and
so
she's
so by
hmm,
so I just wanted to add to that, interestingly, to the lyrics,
yeah.
when I was listening to it all the while, I didn't listen to it in terms of two people in a relationship and drifting apart. For
Mm,
me, the lyrics, if you listen to them just stand alone, it's very about this guy who is like, to me, the song was about this guy who's thinking about someone who he really likes, and he's talking about that girl coming in his thoughts. So all the time when I heard it, that's what I took out of it. So the fresh take for me was listening to the song with the perspective of a relationship,
yeah,
because
because
visually that's what's
those were
going
the
on, right?
visuals that are being fed to us. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So I think
yeah,
that's
yeah,
so
yeah.
it's lovely
Just
that
carry on. Huh?
you've heard the song without the audio and you had a complete different take on it, and then the
Yeah,
video watching it with the video forced you to think in a different direction. I think that's the
yeah,
power of videos, no? But also
yeah.
not having a video sometimes works in the favor of the song as well.
Correct.
Um,
Here it's working in both favors, by the way. Huh? Song
yeah,
बहुत
both
अच्छा है.
work.
So दोनों में चल रहा है बहुत beautifully.
See, the thing is, when you're listening to a song, it really depends on where you are in your life and your personal situation. You will relate to the
Correct,
lyrics in your own
correct,
personal way.
correct.
So yeah, but yes, Shilpa Rao, brilliant. Her,
Yes,
the
yes.
thing is, and I feel she's one of the few singers who can go really low in her pitch and do it so
Yeah, yeah.
plain.
Charmingly is the word.
Oh,
She's a charmer with that voice. Like, it's
and
too beautiful.
flawless. She's always
Yeah.
flawless. And yeah, I can't praise her enough. I remember meeting her. She'd come to our studios, and I have a photo with her. I'll look for it and I'll
Uh,
see if I can post it on Insta. It's a very old one,
yes,
but
yes.
she's so sweet. She's just a gem of a person. She's so
Sweetheart.
warm and she's so unassuming and she's so like, if I could meet her again, I'll give her a hug. But loved her vocals on this one. They really bring a certain terra,
yeah,
when
yeah.
her vocals come into like any song, especially this one. And of course, the hook was lovely, and then the male vocal, the last I think verse was in his voice, just beautiful. And now coming to the actual video, and Isha and Arjun,
The actors.
just I don't know.
Firstly,
They're clearly
lovely.
dancers. Yeah, they're clearly
Yeah,
dancers,
yeah.
and clearly they work as actors as well. They're a
Yes,
complete
yes.
package. So the
Yeah.
way they convey the emotions in every scene, and the acting and the dancing, so good.
Amazing.
And I loved,
Amazing.
yeah, and I,
So when it started as a concept,
uh,
I've seen that concept before. I can't remember the song. I will probably, recollect it, and then, you can like make a mention of it maybe later. But there's this song where basically, tell me if you remember. There's this person. He's basically dancing and walking in, and he walks into the room where, the girl is sitting on the couch, and then they both sit on the couch while dancing. The whole couch flips. They stand up. They go, and then they follow the guy's journey. So the whole song is basically in one take of this guy dancing, and he's moving from one place to another. And it's a wonderfully done
I don't remember.
concept. The whole idea of what's happening, how it's happening, it's stunning. So the moment this song started, I immediately got reminded of that. But very quickly, I also switched from there, and this song captured me completely, because while
Mhm.
the concept is similar to that, but
Mhm.
it is nothing like it. Because over here, they are standing their ground. Like you said, they're both actors, they're both dancers. The emotions were so strong
Yeah.
with what was going on, the art
Mm,
direction of the room that they were in, and
mm,
how they showed that, and visual representation was stunning. So you know
stunning.
कि उनकी लड़ाई हो रही है, how when they're coming back together, then
Mm.
उनकी सुलह हो रही है, it was so real. I have done this in my real life, so I was looking at it going, yes, ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होता है, ये बिल्कुल सच है. Like, you know, it was just absolutely stunning. I love
Yeah,
the video, the way it's
very
been
real.
directed, the way it's
Yeah,
been emoted, the way just everything about the video was like 100 thumbs up. Stunning.
100,000 thumbs up. It's
Yeah.
just that's what I'm saying. Like it just captured the emotions of the song perfectly and conveyed that in so many different layers. There were so many layers in every frame.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
so the layering, and because you know they didn't just have the dancer couple in black show up in one spot or whatever. They had
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
had the real life scene being played out, and then they had them in different things, different places, bringing all the different emotions. The lines were conveying it beautifully, and then just so good.
You know
And
that
I'm seeing,
moment? Do you remember that moment when they are in their heads, when there are two figures, like two couples, both of them only, and what's going on in the guy's head and the girl's head, and then they vanish, and then they look at each other, and
yeah,
it's exactly the opposite of what was going on in their head. That
yeah,
was stunning. Very beautifully
exactly.
created moment.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Like in the post production, they've layered it so well, and
Yeah.
created like these different scenarios, and all of that is happening. It's amazing. And I'm seeing the lyrics. Just this line I loved: "Jiya jo ye mera dhoonde lamhe sare, jahan tu tha mera, wahan ab धुआं रे." I mean, what to do? So good.
Beautiful. Very
I'm
beautiful.
gonna go through the lyrics again and listen to the song again. I just
But listen to it without also, because I want to know what you'll feel once
without the
you listen
video,
to it
without the video,
without the
but with
video.
the yeah, but with the lyrics in front of
Ah.
me, because every line is so beautiful in this song. Just guys, love the music of this one. Thank you for DMing me and requesting it. And what else? What else? Miss Bhola's channel is linked
Nothing,
below,
just listen to it. Yes, thank you.
and go and follow the Yellow Diary and Shilpa Rao, of course. They're just brilliant artists. Love it. And yeah, we'll see you now in the next one. Take care. Live long and prosper.
Bye.